Hello, today I thought I'd be talking about this lockpick set I ordered off from Wish. This is the case it came in. There's the, if I'm remembering right, the diamond pick. I think that's what they call it. The rake. If I'm thinking right, this is called a J pick. Not for sure what kind of pick this would be called. And I'm thinking right, this is called the tension bar. And there's inside of the case. How they look inside their case. It's got two little grooves where it just slides on there. That's the lockpick set I ordered off from Wish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments if you'd like. Subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you.